Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download auto captioning workflow in Descript for editing. Complete guide. To download auto captioning workflow in Descript for editing, start by launching the Descript application on your device. Ensure you have an existing project open or create a new one by clicking on New Project. Import the video file you want to caption by dragging it into the Descript interface or using the Import button. Once the video is uploaded, click on the video file in your project timeline to select it. Navigate to the right panel where you will find the transcription section. Click on the Transcribe button to initiate the auto transcription process. Select the language of your video from the drop-down menu if prompted. After selecting the language, click Transcribe again to start generating captions. Wait for the transcription process to complete, which may take a few moments depending on the length of your video. Once the transcription is done, Descript will automatically create captions that you can edit. You will see the transcribed text appear beneath your video in the text editor. Click on any part of the text to make edits, correct any errors, or add punctuation. To adjust the timing of captions, simply drag the edges of the caption segments within the timeline. You can also customize the text styles by clicking on the Styles option in the top menu to enhance readability. After finishing your edits, review the video to ensure that all captions are synchronized with the audio. Once you are satisfied with the captions, go to the Export option in the top right. Choose your preferred export settings to save the video with captions included. Finally, click on Export and wait for the process to finish, allowing you to share your edited video with auto-generated captions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.